Outdoor low-voltage landscape lighting is not only magical in summer, but also in winter. Our good friend HandyDADTV braved the cold and took these amazing photos with the recent snowfall that transformed his backyard into a winter wonderland. The trees, shrubs, and path take on a postcard-like quality you can enjoy during the long, dark days of winter. What could be more wonderful? As I'm doing this video, I'm drinking a cup of hot chocolate and looking out the window here on our first dusting of snow. And Oscar, our shop cat, is tucked away in his favorite sleeping spot. To see how easy it is to install low-voltage LED lighting, HandyDADTV made this great video. You can watch it below. And from the photos he sent, you can see how the same fixtures light up a summer yard. Unlike the solar lights from the big box stores that just can't handle the winter with their rechargeable batteries that last only an hour or two in the cold, and their cheap plastic that becomes very brittle and breaks in low temperatures, our fixtures shine brightly all night to light the way. Installing low-voltage outdoor landscape lighting may be a bit challenging during the days when the temperature is below 55 degrees, as the ground can be hard from the cooler temperatures, and making it much more difficult to attach the connectors on the wire that becomes hard as a rock in the cold. It's not impossible, but planning for a day where the temperatures are warmer would be a good start. Our large video library of installation notes, hacks, products, and troubleshooting videos will make you an expert no matter the season. Have snow that blankets your yard for months throughout the winter? Not a problem. Our outdoor light fixtures just keep looking great no matter the season. If you live in warmer states, now might be the best time to install your landscape lighting before it gets too hot to work outside. If you already have snow out there, now would be an opportune time to start planning your outdoor landscape lighting installation. Get the materials you need so on the first day of spring you can spring into action. So don't let the winter scare you off. Turn it into an opportunity to explore, experiment, and plan. No matter the season, landscape lighting always makes your home more inviting, welcoming your guests all year long with a little magic. It's so easy to transform your yard into a magical place with our LED outdoor lighting kits. Our stunning tree lights. And our LED Christmas lights. Bringing heightened visibility and creativity to your walkways, shrubs, trees, and eaves, while increasing security and safety for your property. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions on our products, please feel free to ask us. Use this email address for quick communication: support@totallightingsupply.com. We answer product questions all day long, Monday through Friday. However, if you ask questions on YouTube, it may be some time before we see it. Our videos are designed as an overview of our products, and we recommend hiring a qualified electrician for your project to ensure a safe installation. And as always, see the description for links to our website. See the product description on our website for important details, as well as updates and specifications. Also, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any new product information. We offer information, such as this video, and a level of service you will not find anywhere else. Consider using us for your project needs. All of us at Total Lighting Supply hope to hear from you soon.